back to my channel. My name is Jane. My channel is about motherhood, thrifts and finds, and beauty. And I want to show you guys how I usually style my natural hair. So I've currently I dyed it some time back, so now it has grown. So the dyed part is sort of like on top, as you can see. So right now I haven't applied anything, I haven't washed the hair, but I just want to show you guys how you can quickly style your natural hair without really using much. So I'm going to be using a bottle of water, which you can spray. It's like a spray bottle, and it has water. The reason why it looks a bit messy is because I mixed it with the ingredient that was already there but it's just water. Then I'm going to be using the nice and lovely styling gel. That one, yeah, I like it because it doesn't leave white residue like once you apply. Then we're just going to use a normal comb and a brush for lining the edges, just a normal toothbrush, but I use it for my hair. Then we're going to use, this is a stocking that I have converted into a hair, I don't know, hair holder or style, something that I use to style my hair. I like it because it's stretchy and so it's easy to work around it. Okay, so let's go on and start. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair. I'm not going to use a lot of water, but just enough to make the hair be a bit soft and easy to comb, because right now it's very dry. And, yeah, so let's go ahead and just add some water. Yeah, I think that should be enough. Then I'm just going to use my comb. Is it called a comb? Just comb the hair so that it becomes a bit straight. But I usually use coconut oil. I think it has helped. Coconut oil. I also use this one, processed shea butter. This one has also really helped with reducing the amount of hair that I lose every time I comb. Okay, so I think now the hair is soft enough. Yeah, soft enough. So you want to, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use this nice and lovely styling gel to just apply all around the outside parts only, because what we want to do is we want to achieve an afro look in the middle part of our hair. So you're just going to go ahead and apply the gel all around this. Really simple and easy, saves time. Yeah, like that. And then we're going to give it some time to dry off kidogo too. Okay, so now I think it's dried off a bit. As you can see, it's already forming some nice curls. So I think that is good enough. So you want to go in with your, you can use anything. You can use, I think you can even buy those headbands that are already round. I use a stocking because I feel like it's stretchy and it allows me to pull the hair comfortably, and it's not very tight on my head. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub it in like that, and then push it backwards like that. Then I'm going to make a fold at the back like that and pull it inwards, then bring it at the front again like that, and just fold it like that. You want to give it a double fold so that it holds nicely like that. So that, I think I'm going to fold it at the top area just so that we have like a design at the front. So what you want to do with this extra stocking is just pull it backwards and fold it inside the band like that. And then this other side as well, you want to do the same thing and hold it inside. Remember, the stocking is already tight, so it allows you the flexibility to do that. I think that looks good enough, so you just go ahead and comb this part out so that it looks like you have a lot of hair volume. You can also, so if your hair is really short, you can also put on a hair extension in the middle part, but that's a whole different way of doing it, so maybe I'll show you guys sometime. But today we are working with our own natural hair and how we can achieve an instant different look. So my mirror is here, so if you see me checking this side, it's because I'm looking in the mirror to see how it's looking.
So I want to cut this out a bit to give it volume and to make it look a bit neat.
This part is not agreeing. But yeah, I don't want the whole part to be covered. So then the next thing you want to do is you want to lay down your edges. So I'm just going to go ahead with the same gel and do this. Just apply lightly on the edges like this, like that. You want to apply a lot, but just enough to allow you to style your edges like that. Okay, yeah, so once you feel like you've applied enough gel on your edges, what you want to do is go in with your brush. So you can even dip it in just a little bit so that it has gel all around as well. And then you want to just go in with your brush and just simply create and that's basically it. You achieve a very neat hairstyle within 5 minutes and you are good to go. So you can put on your makeup, make sure you're looking good, and yeah, that's it. So this is more like a bow, although it doesn't look like 100% like a bow, but I like it because it gives a little bit of style and also just volume. I also like this part. It looks a bit curled because of the water that we applied earlier, so the hair doesn't look dry. It looks very healthy and very fresh. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Look how amazing this looks. It looks so good, so easy, so simple, and it's something you can easily do at home for your bad hair days. And yeah, go to work or go to wherever you're going and still look good. That's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a lovely evening and see you all next time. Bye.